In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet. This is a handy feature, especially when you're managing a meeting with numerous attendees, and you'd like to streamline the process of everyone getting in without the manual task of approving their entrance one by one. Let's dive right in and make Google Meet sessions easier for everyone involved. Firstly, we'll need to start by accessing Google Calendar, where you organize your meetings. Open up your internet browser and head over to Google Calendar. This is your hub for meeting schedules, invites, and management, and it's from here that we'll adjust the settings to auto-admit participants. Next, locate your scheduled meeting by finding the specific date and time in the calendar. Once you've clicked on the meeting event, you'll see details about the meeting, including the title, time, and participants. Now, click on Edit Event, where you can change various aspects of your meeting setup. After that, you'll be looking for the settings within this event. In the Event Editing page, you'll spot an option for Settings. Click on it, and you'll be one step closer to achieving a seamless entry for all participants. For the auto admission feature to work, the crucial part involves how you manage the host management feature. Here, you're going to need to disable host management. Disabling this feature is what allows participants to join without needing individual approval. It essentially opens up the meeting so attendees can come in automatically. Once you've set that, you'll notice the word Open. Click on this option to further confirm the removal of restrictions that might prevent participants from joining freely. The final step in this editing process is to make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, often at the top or bottom of the page, and click it. It's always important to save your settings. Otherwise, all these changes could be lost, and you'd have to start over. Now, it's time to start the meeting. For this, you'll go back to Google Calendar, find your meeting, and select the Join with Google Meet option. This will launch the actual Meet interface where the session will take place. In the meeting interface, click on Join Now to officially start the session. Now, all you have to do is wait for your participants to join. With the settings adjusted as we've done, attendees will be able to enter without needing your intervention. That's everything you need to do to allow participants to auto-join your Google Meet. By following these steps, you ensure the flow of the meeting isn't disrupted and can focus your full attention on the agenda at hand. Thanks for watching and happy meetings!